Skytech King 95 gaming PC desktop delivers elite performance with cutting-edge specs built for serious gamers and power users. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this gaming PC in the description below at the latest price. Designed to dominate modern titles and demanding workloads, this desktop is packed with the latest Ryzen 7 9800X 3D CPU and the powerhouse RTX 5070Ti graphics card. At the heart of the King 95 is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, clocking in at 4.7 GHz with a turbo boost up to 5.2 GHz, offering blistering speed for both gaming and multitasking. It's paired with a massive 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz, giving you high-speed memory bandwidth to handle anything from AAA games to creative workloads. The included heat spreaders and RGB accents not only boost cooling efficiency but also enhance the visual appeal of your setup. For graphics, the NVIDIA RTX 5070Ti with 16 GB of GDDR7 VRAM ensures you're ready for stunning 1440p visuals at ultra settings with frame rates well above 60 FPS. Whether you're diving into demanding titles like Elden Ring Shadow of the Erdtree, Black Myth Wukong, or Helldivers 2, this GPU will keep things smooth, detailed, and immersive. The system also supports HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, giving you flexibility for multi-monitor setups. The 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD included is up to 30x faster than traditional HDDs, delivering lightning-fast boot times, shorter load screens, and snappier performance overall. Keeping all this powerful hardware cool is a 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooler, backed by 9 fans for exceptional airflow. You won't have to worry about thermal throttling even under sustained loads, making it ideal for extended gaming or editing sessions. The system is housed in the sleek King 95 white tower, designed to showcase internal components with ARGB lighting and a clean build aesthetic. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and no bloatware, so you get a clean start right out of the box. For connectivity, you'll find a full array of USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, along with HD audio and built-in Wi-Fi. Skytech includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, and free technical support. Assembled in the USA, the King 95 is a complete, ready-to-play package for those who want premium performance without the hassle of custom building. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating, this machine delivers.